What is a vacation home? First of all, a vacation home is different from your residential house. Your primary home is where you are residing. A vacation home is a property that you use for recreation. Although sometimes vacation homes can be an investment property that you can use as a home as well as a rental home so you could make it a business, have people rent it, and make some money. Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. Ngayon ay ipapakita ko sa inyo ang construction update ng ginagawang beach rest house ng aking brother. So samahan niyo ko. Let's go! Resort planning is essential in order to shape the future and the image of the resort destination. In addition, the satisfaction of the tourist will be retained if the tourist believes that they are getting high value from the destination considering their travel expenses. The turnkey process includes all of the steps involved to develop, open, and operate a resort, including site selection, master planning, feasibility, business plan, concept development, project management in both preparation and execution, pre-opening planning, training, and post-opening operational support. A place which people frequently or generally go for relaxation or pleasure, especially ones providing rest and recreation for summer vacationers. Here is the bird's eye view of the construction. Watch a time lapse of the construction. This past period, a lot of work has been done to prepare and finalize the building. Also, in the past period, a lot of work has been done to finish front wall masonry and wooden wall coverage and various finishes, making the building wind and waterproof, installing the wall frames, placing the inner walls, inner frames, and stairs. A lot of installation work for the plumbing system and electrical installation, and finally the various interior finishes such as the cement streets, plastering, and tile work. In the coming period, work will be done on all of the above components. The interior finishing in the building is increasingly being completed, and the first kitchens will also be installed at the end of May. There is a train present in the construction process, and the last work on the wall and that will be on the coming month, including the removal of the scaffolding. When the building comes out of the scaffolding, the building and its beautiful architecture become really visible, a memorable moment. In addition to the work on the building, there is also a lot of work on the tasks around the building. For example, the terrain layout, the landscaping are being started. In the coming period, various activities will also be carried out on the utility procedure to provide the building with electricity, water, internet, and a sewer connection, and also prepare the entire park for the next construction phases and future development. During the last period of time, the last floors have been poured and the last limestone walls have been glued as well. The steel construction on the third floor for the roof construction has been installed too, with the first roof elements have been put into place already. We've also started finishing the facade with the first masonry, and with this, the final materials and appearance of the facade are getting increasingly visible. Over the coming weeks, work will continue on wind and waterproofing the buildings. The last roof elements will be installed, after which the roof tiles and gutters will be added. In addition, work continues at a solid base on the facade finish, including the facade masonry, the wooden facade cladding, and the first facade window frame. On the interior of the apartment, the first inner walls with interior door frames will be installed. All installations will be added in the first later boxes will be installed. Before the summer vacation ends, a lot of work was done to prepare the foundations and ground floors of all three building blocks so they can start constructing the hull of the ground floor after the summer vacation. In the past period, for the first building block, the assembly and construction of the floor on the first floor was started, and following that, the installation of the balcony and gallery slabs has also began. The apartment have been put in scaffolding for this. After installing the electrical and mechanical installation in the floor, the floors are poured with concrete, the first steel pillars, and also have been installed at the front of the building for the robust support structure that supports the balconies and the roof with overhangs. Additionally, the first casement frames have been installed, in which the aluminum frames will be mounted later. In the past couple of weeks, piles were driven into the ground. In the coming weeks, foundation work will continue for the apartment building and the construction of the basement below the building will commence. Removed soil will be reused whenever possible. The construction of the floors and walls of this will start on May, and as a result, a start can be made on construction of the basement floor as well. The structure of the building is actually brainchild by my brother. From the design and installation, monitoring, supervising. So he is actually in charge and he is always on site to check the development of the construction. So guys, here is the final view of the finished but now totally finished building soon. All of us are very excited. Maybe probably by the end of May or June, baka tapos na to. So, ayan, hintayin na lang natin, konting tiyaga na lang at matatapos din to. Vacations are highly important. Not only it saves you from succumbing to a high level of stress and burnout, it also increases your productivity and passion for the work that you do. With the increasing cases of employees desiring to break away from work and indulge in vacations of all kinds, the best way to make this happen is making a vacation getaway be a place right on your doorstep. What is a better investment than a property that gives you relaxation and peace of mind, right?